In today's lesson, we're going to work a little bit more on rounding decimals, but this time we're going to do an estimate. So if we have a problem like this that says how to estimate a decimal sum. So we have some crazy decimal numbers here that we're supposed to add and find the estimate. So 32.783 plus 352.806. So let's do this one without using a place value chart. I think we've graduated to not having to use it all the time. So the best way to estimate is to round to the nearest whole number and then add. Okay, so that's how you do an estimate. So let's take this first number, 32.783, and let's work on that one. So round to the ones by looking to the right. So rounding to the ones means round to the nearest whole number, okay? So we would look at to the right here. So if the number to the right of the ones place value is 5 or greater, then the 2 would become a 3 and we round up, okay? So this would become a 3. And in this case, this 7 is greater than 5 or equal to 5. So this will become a 3. So let's finish off the explanation. But if the number to the right of the ones place value is less than 5, then the number does not change. So you would have left this as 32, okay? So now let's do the rounding. For us, it's 33 point, don't forget your decimal. And now everything after is zeroed out. Okay, so finish rounding by zeroing out numbers after the ones. So that would also be the case if we didn't have to round. Say this 7 was a 2 or something, then this would remain 32, and then we would have just zeros at the end. Okay, so for the zeros, you could put 3 zeros or 2 zeros. It doesn't really matter. So follow the same steps now for 352.806. So 352.806, we take a look at the ones place value. We're going to round to here. And then we take a look at the right-hand side, the next one. So here's an 8. So we're going to have to round up again. So this is going to become 353. And then some zeros. So this is the number rounded to the ones. So now, finally, to estimate, add the rounded numbers. So 33 plus 353 equals 386. So this sum here is approximately 386. So don't worry if you don't get that right away. There's nothing wrong with repetition. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description below. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson with a link there, and it'll take you right here. You could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe.